What's good, Washington fans? Nothing good today at all. We got some injury update news and some virus news. Montez Sweat did test positive for the virus, so he will not be playing on Sunday. He has to be out for 10 days because he is not vaccinated. We know during training camp when he had that press conference and did the interview, he talked about not getting the vaccine. This is the quote from it. He said, "I am not a fan of it," talking about the vaccine. I probably won't get vaccinated until I get more facts and that stuff. I'm not a fan of it at all. I haven't caught COVID yet, so I don't see me treating COVID until I actually get COVID. So that was the quote from Montez Sweat that definitely stirred up a lot of media talk and a lot of controversy and a lot of back and forth arguing. I'm not going to get into that stuff. Whether you take the vaccine, it's your choice. It is what it is. But as a football player in the NFL for the Washington football team, you know the consequences. If you do test positive for the virus, you're going to be out for 10 days. And today is Wednesday. We play Cowboys on Sunday, so obviously he's not going to be playing in that game, where he does really well against the Cowboys. Even when Dak was there 2 years ago, he had 2 sacks in that game in Dallas. And then you know what he did to Andy Dalton. Had a sack in the first game and then had the pick six, where it was 41-16. We just blew them out and skunked them in their own house in Dallas on Thanksgiving. So he does really good against the Cowboys. He's one of the Cowboy killers. We definitely could have used him on Sunday. So today's the 8th. You look at 10 days from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, he it's close. 10 days from now is Saturday. So he really could miss the Eagles game. So that's 2 games that he could have played and helped out the Washington football team. And this is a pretty big blow, man. I know we've been playing better. I'm not gonna say better, but we've been playing good football without Montez Sweat and Chase Young not playing. James Smith-Williams, Shaka Toney, and Casey Toohill. They have stepped up without those guys. But we definitely could have used them. It's tough. It's tough. But next man up. Like, these guys have been playing hard. They've been playing in the rush lanes, playing disciplined football. Washington football team, this is per Adam Schefter, is placing tight end Logan Thomas on injury reserve today as doctors continue to figure out the extent of his knee. So they have not said the specific injury, but it is not a torn ACL. So he is done for the year. When you are put on injury reserve twice, in that, put on injury reserve for the short term 3 games, you can't do that twice. So this is the second time that he's being placed on injury reserve. So he is done for the season. We also signed running back Jonathan Williams, who was on the roster last year. So hopefully J.D. McKissic can play, man. I'm really hoping these guys can play. I'm hoping J.D. can play, Landon can play. Hopefully we get some more injury news. But J.D. McKissic, in my opinion, he is going to be an X factor for this game. I like this matchup against their linebackers, against Leighton Vander Esch and guys like that. I just don't see anybody who really can check J.D. in the flats, and also, as a pass catcher too. I think J.D. McKissic is going to be a huge X factor and huge help. You could tell he was missing in that Raiders game. That's another guy we definitely could use. But Curtis Samuel's got to step up. Other guys got to step up if J.D. McKissic does not play. We got to wait on that news. But Logan Thomas, wish him a speedy recovery, and hopefully he will be ready for day 1 of OTAs, mini camp, training camp, and all that good stuff. But Montez Sweat, tough news on that. But like I said, next man up. We're 4-0. We're 4-0 without Montez Sweat. We're on a 4-game winning streak, so it is what it is. All right, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hell to the football team. Peace.